Hello my dear students, how are you all? Welcome to day 37 of our series 99% in 99 days for CBSE Mathematics. I hope all of you are doing good. So as you know, today's session is about second session for the trigonometric identities. Okay, means we are doing the introduction of trigonometry bacha. In that we are talking about trigonometric identities. Is that clear? Yes, so we have done session number 1, which was based upon trigonometric ratios and special angles. I hope you enjoyed the session. I hope you learned a couple of things from there, solved all the questions with me. Yeah, so as you know, I am Ankit Sir, coming every day here as committed, okay, on our channel Diksha Vedanta YouTube Foundation, okay, the foundation channel that we have on YouTube, coming every day to deliver the content on science and mathematics, right? Science is also going on. I hope you're watching that session also, and learning from there as well, solving all the questions that sir and ma'am is solving for all of you. Okay, so this is clear, bacha. So I hope this is very engaging session today, because students find this chapter, this particular unit, little difficult. Okay, so I've taken all type of questions. I've taken almost 8 to 9 questions. Maybe it's 10. We'll check. 9 to 10 questions I've taken, and we'll solve all these 10 questions. Okay, and we will learn these concepts quickly. Again, they'll do more questions in the PYQ section. Don't worry about it. If you want to do more questions, let me know in the comment section that I want to do more questions for this particular session, sir, particular topic, sir. Whatever is the requirement, let us know in the comment section. I hope this is clear. Okay, so let's start with the session, bacha. So coming up first is the chapter plan. Have a look. Chapter plan is what? In this chapter, you have to deal with trigonometric ratios and special angles that we did in the previous session. Today we'll talk about trigonometric identities. Okay, look at the weighted section. Total of 12 marks come from trigonometry, including the application of trigonometry as well. So in the introduction part, you can expect 6 marks. Okay, I've checked the previous paper. Over 6 to 7 marks can be coming from here. And the section where the question comes is MCQ. MCQ will expect this question a lot. Means this chapter has a lot of weightage in MCQs in the side. 1 to 2 questions can be coming in the MCQs. Again, 3 marker case study can also come. 5 marker, if it is a very good identity, they might give for 5 marker, but very rarely. Usually they give application of the chapter, the trigonometry chapter, based questions on that. But you can expect sometimes they can ask 5 marker also based upon identities. Is that clear? Okay, now we'll move on to the trigonometric identities part. So we'll know that they are total of 3 identities, right? Let me list it down first, and then I'll show you how can we get that as well. Let's see. First identity, please have a look, is what, sir? Sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Very simple. Second one, if you remember, is what? 1 plus tan square theta equals to cot square theta. Sorry, sec square theta. I was thinking for the next identity. Okay, so 1 plus cot square is what? Sec square theta. Next, what is it? Third one, sir. 1 plus cot square theta equals to cosec square theta. Cosec square theta. Again, we'll solve question on each of these identity today in the session only. Don't worry. I'll give you the proof for the first identity. The other two can be derived using the first identity itself. Okay, let's have a look. So if I draw a right angle triangle like this, ABC again, right angle at point B. Okay, this is right angle C. Let's call this to be theta, bacha. This to be theta. We know that this is what called? This is either opposite or perpendicular. Let me write it as P. What about this, sir? BC is what, bacha? BC is simply given by a base or adjacent. And what is this? AC? Hypotenuse. AC is hypotenuse. Okay, I'm proving the first identity. Just have a look with me. So if you check here, for the first one, how you write sin theta, bacha? Sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite is P. So P by H. Same way was cos theta. Please check. Cos theta is same way, adjacent by the hypotenuse, so B by H. No problem whatsoever there, sir. Let's square it up and write in that format. So if I write the LHS over here, have a look. What's the LHS? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. So I have P square by H square plus B square by H square. No confusion, have a look. P square by H square for sin square theta and B square by H square for cos square theta. Okay, agreed, sir. Take LCM, bacha. What's the LCM, sir? H square. What I'm getting over here? P square plus B square, leading me to, what is it, sir? Please check. If I apply Pythagoras theorem in ABC, okay, Applying what, sir? Applying Pythagoras theorem. Okay, please check. Theorem in triangle ABC. Can they do that? Of course, it is a right angle triangle, no? Right angle at B, we know that. If you see this AC square would be bacha equals to BC square plus AB square. BC square plus AB square. What is AC, sir? Simply hypotenuse the square. What is BC, sir? Simply the base square. What's AB, sir? Simply the perpendicular square. AB is P, BC is B, and AC is H. So I'm getting what? B square plus P square simply equals to H square. Is that clear? I hope this is clear. Yes? I'm going to use that bacha over here. Please check. I'm getting P square plus B square now. I'll replace the numerator by simply H square. Denominator will remain same, whatever it is. We can cancel this. What's the result? So if I took sine square plus cos square, I'm dealing with what? 1, which is nothing but RHS of the identity. That's what we had to prove. Please check. LHS is sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Okay, and we're getting this equals to 1 only, sir. Yes or no? Of course, sir. Okay, again you can prove this identity using the ratios again. Write the tan, sec, but you can also use this identity what? In way, write this in terms of sine and cos. I'll show you the second one quickly. 1 plus tan square theta, if you take 1 plus, I can write tan in terms of sine and cos. Sine square theta upon cos square theta. We know this, bacha. We know this, na? Tan theta is sine by cos. No confusion whatsoever here. You know this, right? Tan theta is sine by cos. So tan square is going to be sine square by cos square. Take LCM over here. What I'm going to get? Cos square theta plus sine square theta upon cos square theta. Right, na? LCM of 1 and cos square is what? Cos square only, right? Sine square plus cos square in the numerator coming as 1, sir. Using what? Identity number 1. What is the denominator? No change, sir. Cos square theta. 1 by cos is what, bacha? 1 by cos is sec. So 1 by cos square is sec square. Excellent. That's what we have to prove. Please check. Sec square. Same way you can solve for cot square also. You can solve this from your side. Please try. Please try from this your side, okay? Try from your side. This third one. You can do it? Yes, simple identities. I proved the first and second one. Please do the third one from your side. I know all of my bachas can do it. Have a look. I hope this is clear. Okay, now we'll solve the first question. Simple session. Okay, you'll not find this session difficult. I'm very sure. Just be attentive in the session. Any other doubts you are having, let us know in the comment section. Okay, chaliye. Sec theta minus tan theta equals to m. Then value of sec theta plus tan theta is what? That's a very good question. Okay, very good question. You can see here there's a pattern. A minus B, A plus B. We know this. We have learned it from grade 8, right? Whenever you see this, just simply write this formula, sir. A square minus B square equals to A minus B times of A plus B. In this case, what is A and B coming as? Have a look. My A is sec theta, so I can write here as sec square theta minus tan square theta. No problem whatsoever. What is this? Please check. Sec theta minus tan theta, sec theta plus tan theta. Do we have some values? Of course we have. Have a look. This is an identity, sir. How come, sir? You wrote something different. Have a look. If I bring this tan square on this side, what is this going to become? Sec square minus tan square will become equal to 1. I can bring this tan square over here. Positive is there. Over here it becomes minus. So sec square minus tan square will become equals to 1. So I can replace this value by, on the LHS side, 1 equals to. Okay. Please check here. Sec minus tan is how much, sir? M. So replace this by M. This is as it is. Sec theta plus tan theta. Replace and bring this M on this side. You're going to get this as 1 by M equals to sec theta plus tan theta. That's what we're looking for. Please check. So my answer is simply option number C, 1 by M. Is it not? Please check. Very simple question. All of you agree? Just know the identities. Question number 2. Let's solve it. Value of 1 plus tan plus sec a is a very good question. This question can come in MCQ or in a subjective question, 3 marker also it can be asked. Both in MCQ section. So 1 marker, since it is given here, or even 3 marker can be asked this question. It's a very good question, you'll see. Okay, so I can expand, right, tan and sec in terms of sine and cos. Same way cot and cosec in terms of sine and cos. So let's see what we can do. We can write this as 1 plus tan a is what, sir? Sine a by cos a. Sec a is what, sir? Cos a, sir. 1 upon cos a, sir. Same way, bacha, over here. 1 plus cot a is what, sir? Cos a upon sine a minus, what is this? Please check. 1 upon sine a, right? Cosec a is 1 upon sine a. Confusion over here? Just writing everything in terms of, all the ratios in terms of sine and cos. Agreed? Okay. Step number 2. Take LCM in the first bracket. What you're getting? Please check. Only cos is there. Okay. 1 I have over here. So to make equivalent fraction, I'll write cos again. So cos a over here. What I have this side? Plus sine a and plus 1 and plus 1. Okay. Second bracket, have a look. What's the LCM, bacha? I have sine only. Let's take sine as the LCM. I have 1. To make equivalent fraction, what am I going to do? Multiply with sine. So I'm going to end up with sine a plus cos a minus 1. Minus 1. Check here. Sine a cos a plus 1. Sine a cos a minus 1. In the product. Please check. No problem. Check this. This is my a. This is my b. So a plus b. Over here. Again a, and this is b, a minus b. In the multiplication, a plus b into a minus b. What is that? A square minus b square, na, sir. Please check, bacha. So sine a plus cos a the whole square. Why whole square, sir? Because a itself is cos a plus sine a, right? So I have to write a square. Now what is a? Sine a plus cos a, so a square minus b square. What is b, sir? B is simply 1, sir. So 1 square. Is that clear? A square minus b square is a plus b and a minus b. Is that clear? Have a look. Cos a into sine a multiplied, bacha. So cos a and sine a. And continue over here. Please check. Expand this bracket. So sine square cos square plus 2 sine a cos a. A plus b the whole square, right? So sine square cos square plus 2 times of ab. So sine a cos a. Let's write that. So I get here sine square a cos square a plus 2 sine a cos a. Is it? Is this over? Minus 1, sir. Because minus 1 square is there, minus 1. Divided by what, bacha? This term, sine a cos a. Or cos a sine a, your choice to write. Okay, no problem. Have a look. Sine square plus cos square is what, sir? This value is simply 1, sir. Simply 1. I have a plus 1 here, minus 1 here. Can be cancelled. Okay, can be cancelled. Have a look. Plus 1 here, minus 1 here. How come plus 1 is identity? Sine square a plus cos square a is 1, sir. 1 minus 1 is 0, sir. What I'm left with in numerator? Only 2 sine a cos a divided by what, sir? Sine a cos a. Cancel this and this. What I'm getting, bacha? Only 2, which gives me the option is D. So as I said, this question can be asked even in 3 marker. I know by now all of you will agree. Simple only, but you can see there's a process for it. It will take time even for you have to get in the 1 marker category. So it can be asked in 2 marker, 3 marker, possible. Okay, चलिए assertion reason देख लेते हैं. Question number 3. Cos square 52 and sin square 52. Or this is 1, na? I can have this angle as theta, no? Both angle is same. So assertion is right. For any value of theta, cos square plus sin square is always 1. Correct. So reason explains assertion. This is identity, right? So reason explains assertion. Please check. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is always 1, sir. So sir, cos square 52 plus sin square 52 is 1. No problem. Okay. Great, sir. Simple question. Was it a PYQ? It's not a PYQ. What about this one? It is. CBSE 2023 paper. Please check. So assertion A is if sin A plus sin square A is 1, then the value of cos square A plus cos power 4A is also 1. It is right. I'll show you how. Let me take this statement, bacha, from here. So sine A plus sine square A equals to 1. That's what they've given here. Please check. Bring the sine square A over here. What are you going to get? Sine A equals to 1 minus sine square A. First identity. Sine square plus cos square is 1. So 1 minus sine square will be what? Sine square plus cos square is 1. So what is that going to be? Simply cos square A. Put the value of 1 if you want to. No problem. So what I'm getting? Sine A equals to cos square A. Check this value now. Check this LHS. What I have, bacha? Cos square A plus cos power 4A. है ना? Now replace this value of cos square A as sin A. Cos square A is sin A. What about this? Cos square power 2 I can write now again. Cos square A the whole square na. What is cos square A, sir? Please check. Please check, sir. This is what, sir? Simply sine. So right here, sine A the whole square. What I'm getting, bacha? Please check. I'm getting this as sine A plus this part sine square A. How much is that? Have a look. Sine A plus sine square A is how much, sir? Is going to be 1. They've given it here in the question only. It means if the question statement is given like that to be equal to 1, this will also be 1. So assertion is true. Assertion is true, right? I hope this is visible. This is not looking like 1. I'll rewrite it. Okay. This is 1, sir. Okay, great. Reason for all values of A, yes, true. That's what we have used here. Please check. That's what we have used here. 1 minus sine square will be written as cos square. This is correct, no? This is correct, sir. So option reason is also correct, and both explains. So option number A is right. Option number A is right. Please have a look. Please have a look. Okay, yeah. Now I have a very important announcement for all of you. Okay, for all the 10th graders, if you are wondering what to do after 10th grade, if you have this question in your mind, we are here at Diksha to answer your questions. What is that, bacha? So every year we explain, we organize this event, and this also we are organizing in our offline partners of our Diksha campuses. What you can do there, so Sunday you can visit. 3 hours session will be conducted on the Sundays. So this Sunday you can visit. Okay, and what you can do is, how will this benefit you? So this will help you to understand what is next coming up for you. How can you choose the right the choice? How can you make the right decision, whether you should go with maths with science or bio with science, okay, or you should go with commerce, not choose science at all, go with arts. So, or if you are somebody who is very clear they want to do engineering, this will help you to understand what is your competency level, whether you should go for JEE, KSET and NEET, okay. And if you are choosing for JEE, what is your competency level, how can you get better, what is lagging, what is needed to be done. All the questions will be answered from our team of experts, okay. What you have to do, just enroll. The link for this web page is given in the description for this program. DSHAT is called as Diksha Scholarship Aptitude Test. So please go ahead, enroll over here. Once you enroll, get in touch with our team, book a slot on Sunday, okay. How this exactly will help you, I'll talk about that at the end of the session, okay. Once you get to hear the structure of the program, I'm very sure that you'll have the clarity that yes, it is certainly gonna help me, okay. I hope this is clear. Moving on to the questions now, okay. Moving on to the questions now. Chaliye. So this question is again, you can see CBSE 2023 paper again, asked in assessment reason also, and the question also. Have a look. Similar question has been asked in different papers. They must have asked it. So now they are asking the ulta version. So they have given what? Cos A plus cos square A is 1. Let's write it from there first. So cos A plus cos square A is 1. So take this on this side. Cos A will be what bacha? 1 minus cos square A. What I'm getting now? Cos A simply, sir, sine square A, right? Sine square A. Now use this, what they're asking. So sine square A plus sine power 4A, okay, sine power 4A. Have a look. So what is sine square A? So simply cos A. What about this? Sine power 4A will be what, sir? Sine square A the whole square. है ना? Check here. This continues on this side. So cos A remains cos A, and sine square will become what? Cos. So right here, cos A the whole square. What I'm getting now? Please check. Cos square A, है ना? Cos square A, and this is given as 1, right? So this is simply going to be equal to 1. So whatever we started from, this value, so what are we getting? Please check. I'm getting sine square a plus sine power 4a is equals to 1. When this is given. When this is given, this is the final answer. Have a look. So my value for sine square a plus sine power 4a is simply 1, sir. Clear hai? Moving on to question number 6. Have a look. Prove that cos a upon 1 plus sine a plus 1 plus sine a upon cos a equals to 2 sec a. Good question. Okay. Please check. What can you do, sir? Take LCM, bacha. If you take LCM, I will only talk about LHS side. So I'll take only LHS. Please check. So what is LCM, sir? 1 plus sine a times cos a. Please check. Coming as, if you do the equivalent fraction, I have to multiply cos a to this part to get the same as the denominator. So cos square a plus, same way I'm going to get what over here? 1 plus sine a the whole square. Is that clear? Okay. Now check this out. Keep it like this only. Cos square a plus, expand it with the formula of a plus b the whole square. So I'll have a square, so 1 square, b square, so sine square a, and plus 2ab, so 1 into sine, 2 sine a divided by, please check, I write this as it is, cos a times cos a. Okay, please check now. Sine square a plus cos square is how much, sir? This combination. Cos square plus sine square. First identity, sir. So 1. I already have 1 square, so it becomes what? 2, sir. Please check. 2 plus 2 sine a. I'll repeat. This value is 1 and this is also 1. This value, cos square plus sine square is 1 and I already have 1 square, so that is also 1. So I get 2 over here divided by plus sine a cos a. Have a look. Take 2 common on the numerator side. 1 plus sine a divided by 1 plus sine a times cos a. Check this out. This is cancelled. What I'm getting? 2 by cos a, simply 2 sec a, simply 2 sec a. What is that? RHS. Hence we have proved the given trigonometric identity which they have asked us to prove. Please check here. I've started with the LHS side, got that equals to RHS. I hope this is clear. Yes, a simple question. Okay, just we have to take LCM of 1 plus sine and cos and use the identity 1. Sine square plus cos square is coming as 1. Taking 2 common, this gets cancelled with the denominator and numerator. I have 2 by cos coming as 2 sec a. Moving on to question number 7. Okay, again CBSE 2015. Check here. We have to prove this condition for both the cases, case 1 and case 2. Let's take the case 1 first. Okay, let's take the case 1 first over here. So you're looking to prove this b square x square minus a square y square. Okay, I'm going to only take what, bacha? LHS. Only LHS is enough. What is the b value? I don't have that. I have only x value. So keep this b square as b square. What is x value, sir? A sec v. So a sec v square minus, what is it? Y is what, sir? Please check. Y is b tan v. So right here, b tan v the whole square. Tan v the whole square. Please check what I'm getting. B square a square sec square v. Okay. Minus a square b square tan square v. Tan square v, right? Can you take something common? B square a square b square a square. Take that common. Please check. So I can take that as a square b square common. What is left in the first term? Sec square v minus, what is it, sir? Tan square v. Sec square tan square, sir. The identity, please check the identity first. Second identity, 1 plus tan square. Theta is sec square theta. Bring it over here, what I'm getting? 1 equals to sec square theta minus tan square theta. Same thing is here, no? Sec square minus tan square. What's the answer for this? Simply 1, sir. What I'm getting? Simply 1. What is our result? A square b square. A square b square. We started from LHS, we got the RHS. It means equals to RHS verified or proved. So it is statement that they asked is proved now. Please check. Please have a look. Clear? Okay, great. Okay, sir. Can we do for the second one? Can we do it? Please check. Same thing. Okay, please check. Second one was the LHS, bacha. Let's check the LHS. A cosec, sorry, same no, b square minus x square and a square v square. B square minus x, b square x square minus a square y square. Is it right? Yeah. What is x? A cosec v. So keep b as it is, and a cosec v the square minus a as it is. What is it? B cot v the whole square. Is it right? Yeah, b cot v. Take here, something is common again. Excuse me. B square a square. What is this? Please check. This is going to be simply cosec square v minus cot square v. Third identity, 1 plus cot square theta equals to cosec square theta. So bring it over there. What I get? 1 equals to cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Am I right? Yes. So I can replace this by 1. Yeah. I write here this b square a square, or like this a square b square. What I'm getting? Simply a square b square, which is nothing but RHS. Please check. RHS. Please check. When both the conditions where x and y was given in terms of a, b and angles of v, sec v, tan v, cosec v, cot v, we got the result. Verified that b square x square equals to b square x square minus a square y square equals to a square b square. A square b square. First result is over here. Have a look. Second one over here. Have a look. Okay. From here we started. From here we started. Simple enough. Moving on. Shall I move on? Simple question. Question number 8. Question number 8. Chali. Let's do the question. Number 8, sir. Cot A plus cosec A minus 1. Cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Okay. Asha, we have to change one of these. Either numerator or denominator. We can change numerator. Okay. Please check. Why I'm asking you to change numerator? No. Because you can see here. I have cot A plus cosec A. Okay. If I write the identity of 1. What is the identity of 1, sir? Please check from here. This identity. If I can write this. One value. What is it? Cosec square minus cot square. What is that formula? A square minus b square. है ना? So a minus b, a plus b will come. So means cosec plus cot will come. Same I am having here. Cosec plus cot. I can take it common. Okay. And that's what is written over here. 1 plus cos is what? 1 plus cos by sine is something but this thing is nothing but cosec a plus cot a. You can cross check. Divide 1 by sine. So cosec, cos by sine. So cot. Please check. 1 by sine. So cosec and cos by sine is cot. It means if I change the identity for the numerator 1 by this value, then I will get some result. Let's do that. So let's take LHS first. Let's do LHS. So cot A plus cosec A. Can I write this first? Ulta. I want to write cosec A first. I want to write cosec A first. I can do that, no problem. Both of them are plus only, right? So I can write whichever I want to. Cosec A plus cot A. Cosec A plus cot A is also okay. Minus 1 right here. 1 can be written as what, bacha? Cosec square A minus, please check, minus cot square A divided by, this will remain same. No change in the denominator. Cot A minus cosec A plus 1. No change whatsoever over here. Okay? No change whatsoever over here. Have a look. What is this value? Cosec square minus cot square is what, sir? 1. I have written this 1 as cosec minus cot square. Clear? Okay? Using the third identity. Now check here. I can take this common. I have a square minus b square, no? What I have, sir? Here. A square minus b square. Right? A square minus b square. What can I write for this? What can I write this for this? Please check. This will remain as it is. So cosec A plus cot A minus, in the bracket please check, I'll have cosec A plus cot A, first one, A plus B times A minus B. So cosec A minus cot A. Please check. Correct na? A square minus B square. So A plus B, A minus B. A plus B, A minus B. Denominator, same thing, sir. Cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Check now. This part and this part is same. Cosec A plus cot A, cosec A plus cot A. I can take it common. So do that. Cosec A plus cot A can be taken common. If you do that, what is left in the first term? Take this out. What is left in the first term? Nothing, sir. It means 1 is left. Nothing is left. Now, once you take this common, it means 1 is left. What about this? Minus sign is left. And this is gone. So, only this part is left. So, bracket I'll put cosec A minus cot A. Close this bracket. Divide by the same thing in the denominator. So, cot A minus cosec A plus 1. I can simplify this one more step. Okay. Can I write it over here? Cosec A plus cot A. Cosec A plus cot A. This bracket term remains as it is. Please check. Expanding the bracket now. This minus sign. 1 minus. Check here. Cosec becomes negative and cot becomes positive, because minus of this will become negative and this will become what? Positive. Minus and minus will become positive. So minus cosec A plus cot A. Please check. Minus cosec A plus cot A. Denominator, sir, same thing. Cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Have a look. Cot A positive, this is cot, right? 1 positive, cosec negative, means this whole thing is getting cancelled. What I'm getting now? I'm getting this as cosec A plus cot A, right, in terms of sine and cos. 1 by sine is cosec and cos by sine is cot. Take LCM bacha, sine and sine is simply sine. What is it? 1 plus cos A is equals to what? RHS. Please have a look. I started from the LHS, right? What I'm getting? This part. Please check. 1 plus cos A upon sin A. 1 plus cos A upon sin A. Have a look from the beginning. It's a very good question. In NCERT it's there. It's a very, very good question. Okay, if it comes in examination, I will actually rate your paper very good. Okay, very good question. Please have a look. Simply, we had to substitute the third identity in 1. So how, sir? From here, sir. Cos x square minus cot square is 1. Okay. Is it clear? Have a look. Alright. So this completes your question practice for the identities. Okay, we learned the concept how to prove the identities as well. Okay, now as I said, I'll talk about the structure of the reset program and how it is actually going to help you out. So what we do in this 3 hour, which you're going to take it on Sunday. So first hour will be based upon your so our session will give you a lecture for 45 minutes. You can ask your doubts again in last 15 minutes. Means first 1 hour will go to a lecture and last 15 minutes will be a doubt. Means 1 hour is gone now. Second hour will be a test, aptitude test based upon your lecture only. Okay, so now second hour is also gone. Now for the third hour, we'll evaluate your test and we'll see how you performed. Okay, and we'll let you know what could have done better, and if you've done very good, we'll congratulate you on that you have done very good job. You are right on the track. Okay, and we can assist you that what you can actually do to make your presentation better, to make your approach to problem solving better. Okay, so if you are having, apart from all of this, if you're having other questions about your planning your career or whatever you want to decide after 10th grade, write it down in one place and then go to our campuses. Before going to the campus, write all the questions down in one place, go to the campus. I'm very sure that our very experienced team of counselors and teachers will help you understand what you should do, how can you get better in your preparation and get ahead in your competition. Okay, and if you decide to join us for our for the preparation for 11th and 12th, you'll get a very good scholarship again in the admissions. So make a choice. Okay, and what to do? One thing you have to do right now: enroll. Link is given. Connect with our team and get your slot booked for Sunday. 3 hours. You can give that for us. Okay, you can give it for yourself. if you do that, I'm very sure that you'll be very, very happy that you gave this 3 hour at our campuses. You'll be very satisfied, bacha. I'm very sure about it. Okay, chaliye. So I hope this information is very clear. Now I have a request to make. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Okay, if you're watching the videos, you're liking the videos, then please hit the like button. If you find somebody who needs the session, he needs to study or revise something, everything is for free. So please, if somebody needs it, let them also share with them. They can also make some benefit out of this. Okay, and any other feedback is there, you want us to do something else, let us know in the comment section. We see the count. We will try to come up with a solution for all of your queries, bacha. I hope this is clear. Okay, so with this positive note, I'm ending the session. I'll see you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye bye.